Let's solve this math problem together. We have 599 to the power of 3 minus 598 to the power of 3 minus 599 to the power of 2 minus 599 to the power of 2. So let's pick the ones with the same base together to have 599 to the power of 3 minus 599 to the power of 2 minus 598 to the power of 3 minus 598 to the power of 2. So from here we can split these powers to have 599 to the power of our 3 is 2 plus 1 minus 599 to the power of 2 minus 598 to the power of 2 plus 1 minus 598 to the power of 2. But when we have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So when we split this, we have 599 to the power of 2 times 599 to the power of 1 minus 599 to the power of 2. And we have minus 598 to the power of 2 times 598 to the power of 1 minus 598 to the power of 2. So here we have a common factor here. We'll factor out 599 squared to have 599 minus, we have 1 here. We do the same here. We factor out 598 squared. So we are left with 598 plus we have 1. So resolving this, we have 599 squared times 599 minus 1. We have 598 minus we have 598 all squared times this plus this, we have 599. So we can split this into 2 to have 599 times 599, which is 2, times 598 minus 598 times 598 times 599. So we have numbers that are common in the two. So let's factor out 599 times 598. So we are left with 599 minus, from here we are left with 598. So we have 599 times 598. Subtracting this, we have 1. So when we multiply by 1, we have 599 times 598. And this can be the same as 600 minus 1 times, we have 600 minus 2. So when we multiply through, we have 600 times 600 minus 2. And we have minus 1 times 600 minus 2. So opening up this bracket, we have this times this to give us 36, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus we have this times this, we have 12, 0, 0. So when we multiply this, we have minus 600 plus 2. So this will give us 360,000. This plus this, we have minus 1,800 plus 2. When we subtract this from here, we have 35,8200 plus 2. Our answer is 358,202. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.